Step 1. Find the asymptote. As 2 to the power x is greater than 0, when we add 1 to both sides of the inequality, we will have y to be greater than 1 for all real values of x. Hence, the graph is above the line y equals to 1, and the line y equals to 1 is the asymptote. Step 2. Find the intercepts. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to 2, since 2 to the power 0 is 1. When y is equals to 0, 2 to the power x equals to negative 1 have no real solution. So the graph have no x-intercept. When we sketch the graph, the asymptote, which is the line y equals to 1, does not lie on the axis. So we need to indicate the asymptote with a dotted line and label with the equation y equals to 1. Next, label the y-intercept of 2. The shape of the exponential function will be either this, or a reflection of these two about the y-axis or the x-axis. If you need to, you can check with some values of x. So for x greater than 0, y will be greater than 2. For x less than 0, y will be less than 2. As the value of x decreases, the graph should get nearer and nearer to the asymptote, which is the line y equals to 1. As the value of x increases, the value of y increases more and more rapidly, so this part of the graph should be steep. This is a wrong example.